I'm Lynn Kovalchick from Franklin Park. We talked to 2 other companies, but we really enjoyed working with the designer out at Pittsburgh Best. We met someone from the company at the North Hills home show, and when we went out to the showroom and worked from the very beginning, from the first day we met the designer to the last towel being set, we were really happy with their work. Our designer did a great job in picking out all of the different materials for us, and when we wanted to change them, she was very happy to find other choices. I love the shower, I love the towel work, I love the bench, I love the little niches, and I love the floor. I mean, I love everything, but those are some of my favorites. What I liked best about Pittsburgh Best was that they were extremely organized. All of the materials were delivered to our house before they started construction, and that made it very easy for work to begin and end on time, and there were never any delays. They arrived on time every single day. And like I said, I really liked that there were never any delays, and that was because every material was delivered prior to the construction beginning. I would highly recommend Pittsburgh Best to anyone who is looking to have a bathroom remodeled, because it was a great experience. All of the materials were high quality, the designers, the construction worker were excellent, and I was just happy with the finished product. Casey, all of your workers did a great job from beginning to end. Thank you very much. I love my bathroom.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.